Imagine this. You're standing in the middle of the desert, but you aren't alone. You have the entire power of 2026 at your fingertips.
Behind me isn't just a construction site. It's one of the most complex engineering challenges humanity has ever attempted. And I have to finish it. I have hundreds of autonomous machines working in sync. Giant cranes lifting blocks that weigh more than your house. Drones scanning every millimeter from above.
AI is calculating the load. GPS is tracking every single stone. And slowly, a pyramid starts rising from the ground.
Let's look at the numbers. The Great Pyramid was about 146 meters tall, roughly the height of a 40-story building.
The Egyptians didn't have my tablet. They didn't have my cranes. They had human muscle and extraordinary surveying. I can't just order 2 million blocks of limestone on an app. I have to manage thousands of truck journeys, constant quarrying. Faster doesn't mean cheaper. To build this right now, I'd need a budget in the hundreds of millions, maybe billions. And if I want it to be perfect, I have to recreate the smooth, polished limestone casing that once made the original shine brilliantly in the sun. So, can I do it? Can one engineer, with the world's best technology, beat the ancients? But standing here, looking at what they achieved, with nothing but stone, simple tools, and human determination. But standing here, looking at what they achieved, with nothing but stone, simple tools, and human determination, I realize something. The real challenge isn't the technology. It's the sheer human will to build something that lasts. Thousands of years from now, the machines will be gone. The screens will be gone. Even the technology we consider impossible today. But if we build something great enough, maybe someone will still be standing here, asking the same question. Could we build it again? Could we build it again? This is Buildverse. We don't just look at how the world was built. We imagine how we'd build it today. Today, I can move a block in minutes that would have taken them far longer. My drones scan the site. And if a section is off by even a fraction, my system catches it instantly. But this isn't ancient Egypt. This is today. And the question isn't just, can we build it? It's, can I build it better than they did 4,000 years ago? But here is the problem they didn't have to worry about. The supply chain. And enough electricity to power a small city.